Welcome back, guys. Draw a vertical line and from that draw number 2. Draw number 3 behind it and join them with zigzag lines. Extend the line and add one more line parallel to that. Now add in the tail feathers and the soulful eye and the huge beak and extend the feathers and draw some legs as well. Color it. Draw a very long narrow line and draw number 2. Draw number 3 from that curve and extend it. Draw 3 inverted lines and little soulful eye and beak. Connect the lines with curvy design and do the same on the wings as well. Draw little legs and water drop like design and define the peacock's design. Color it. Draw a small circle and from that extend a leaf-like design and add in number 3 inside and also one more tree on the other side. Add in the soulful eye, beak and the cute little legs. Color it with yellow. Using a pink sketch, draw springy design in a swirl manner. Continuously swirl it down. Then draw a naughty tail. Sorry, it's not a naughty tail, it's a naughty neck. Yes, it's a flamingo. Draw the wings at the back and draw number 4 at the bottom and define its legs. Draw its eyes and a beak and detail its beak. Write a secret code 2222 and join the first 2 and the second 2 with some huge circle. Extend the lines parallelly like a branch. Draw the circles as eyes and triangles as beaks and extend the tail feathers and do the detailing. Draw the legs. Is the lovebird or birds in love? Draw a long X, join the top using a curve, and draw a tree, joining in the middle. Draw soulful eye and a pattern and some beak. Draw the tips as a long elongated triangle and color it black. Extend the thin branch and draw some little leaves and color them as well. Using a cap, draw a circle and extend a line on the right, and from the left draw a curve and draw an inner curve. Draw that little legs and draw some pairs of tail feathers. Detail the tail feathers, add in the soulful eyes and a little beak. Color it yellow and blue. Draw a cute little heart shape and extend the 2 from one curve on the right and do the inverted 2 on the other side. Do the feather-like design and draw another curve joining the shape. Do the same on the other part. Extend the beak and draw soulful eyes and water. Cross 2 long lines and join another line in the middle. Join the first 2 on top using one curve and the bottom with 2 curves and repeat the design on top and bottom. Extend the number 3 from top and join in the center. Draw soulful eyes, legs and beaks and color it. Draw a huge tree and one more tree parallel to it. On the right side draw a huge circle and on the left an M-shaped design. Draw the patterns of the face and draw soulful eyes and beaks and draw some vines with leaves as well. Color it. It's a swallow. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll meet in our next video similar to this. Go creative.